As requested by most of you, in this video I will show you a new method on how to one name on Facebook or how to put one name on your Facebook account. So this is the account that I will be using for this tutorial. So as you can see, it has two names, but at the end it will have only one name. So be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more updates. So to put one name on your Facebook account, the first step is for you to open your Play Store app, and then you search for this VPN called BBVPN. VPN. So it has 4.3 star rating. So then you install this app. I will also put the link in the description of the video. So after you've installed, then you open. So when you open on this page, you're going to cancel this, and then you select switch VPN server location. So from here you go ahead and select the Indonesia server, because apparently the option of putting one name is only available to limited countries. So you select Indonesia, and then under Indonesia you select Jakarta. So you can pick one of the three options available. So then you can go ahead and close this ad, and then you click start. So this will initiate a connection request. Then you click OK, and once the VPN has connected, then now you can go to your Facebook app. So then you click on the three dash menu at the top right corner on your home page. Then you scroll down to settings and privacy, then select settings. Under settings you select see more in account center. Then under account center you select profiles. Then you go ahead and select your Facebook profile. Then select name. So from here you edit the first name to your preferred choice, then remove the last name. So after removing the last name, then you click on spacebar once, then select review change. Then after that you go ahead and save changes. So after saving, you can then go back to your home page, and then you refresh. Then you click on your profile icon, that takes you to your profile, and you will find that you will have only one name. So I hope this helps you, but if it doesn't, you can try these other videos, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated every time I make such videos.